In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Firefly and generative AI. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on your Adobe Creative Cloud. And then once you have this column on the left-hand side, you want to click on the Adobe Firefly with the red icon. So once you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you can have a bunch of different options to change the text to image, to use generative AI fill, and use the text effects and generative recoloring and so on. So for this tutorial, I'll be focusing on the text effects. So I'm going to click on this particular effect, and in the first part, I'm going to just type in the title or the text that I want to use, and maybe for the prompt I'm gonna choose balloon, and I'm gonna go ahead and generate, and it's just gonna take a few minutes for it to generate the different types of balloons, and I get a whole bunch of options which are kind of fun. And I can go and change this text anytime, and this would automatically update. There are also sample prompts here, so if I click on the actual balloon that's created here, you'll see that it just will fill it in with that particular effect. And actually I like this one much better. You can also change this to, let's say, and I'm just going to say the prompt could be pasta, and we can see what we're going to get. And again, you'll have a bunch of different variations of the pasta effect. And so once, let's say, you're happy with this particular effect, you can go ahead and export it out. But also, before we do that, you can also click view all and sort of look at some of these other effects that are available to you. So we have a pasta effect here, so I'm going to go ahead and click that just to see what this default ones look like versus the ones that just creates it on the page, and it's more or less the same. So once you create your text with the effects, you can go ahead and export it out. So if you click it, you can download it, you can copy the image, you can save it to the library. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and I'm going to say continue. I want to keep the transparency just because I want to be able to use any color I wish in the background. So I'm going to now, if I click this open, you'll see the background is transparent. And if I do Command I, oops, you'll see my file size is about 2 megabytes at 2782 pixel wide by 1024, and these are all scalable. So this is how you use the text effect in Firefly. Thank you for listening.